Welcome back to BluffCityGrub. Today we're lighting our smoker to create smoked queso. Alright, we're going to get this smoked queso going, and it's going to be ready just in time for fall sports season. I don't know, maybe not fall sports season, but you've got to have this queso at home when your friends come over. Right, we're going to jump right into the smoked queso dip video. We don't want to waste too much time. But essentially what we've got is about 6 ingredients here. We're going to mix them in our nice cast iron pot here, and we're going to cook it on the smoker probably for about, I don't know, 30 to 40 minutes at 250 to 300. The first thing we got here is Velveeta queso Blanco. We're going to go ahead and toss that in. We got some Colby Jack. They're whole blocks of Colby Jack and queso Blanco. We'll have the full recipe below. Feel free to check it out. All right, now once we got the cheese out, we're gonna add some chorizo. It's looking good. Taco seasoning. We got some fire roasted diced tomatoes here. And we also got some Rotel here. Put it all in. Right, we've got all our ingredients in here. We want to go ahead and add 2 jalapenos. We're just let those cook down while it cooks. Just going to give this a quick stir, just kind of get it all mixed up before we throw it on the smoker. Looks like we'll be cooking quick today with the rain. All right, we've got our smoker up to about 250, and we're looking to cook for about 30 minutes, 45 minutes. We're going to get it on. Oh, this queso dip's going to turn out nice. All right, I've been cooking about 20 minutes. We're going to give this queso a nice stir. Like it's starting to melt good. I've been cooking about 45 minutes an hour, and this queso is ready. Be sure to get you some gloves to pick it up. We'll take this in and finish it off. Right, we got this queso off the grill. Last thing to finish it off is going to be just a handful of chopped tomatoes, a little bit of parsley. Smoked queso.